Imagine being able to optimize every part of your site, from how it looks to how it works. With SiteSpect, you can. In fact, SiteSpect is the only optimization platform that enables you to test everything and target anyone, helping you to increase conversions and drive revenue. Other tools limit your testing to basic site elements, but with SiteSpect, you can test the entire user experience, including navigation, every part of the conversion funnel, any type of content, including dynamic content, as well as mobile web and apps. And only SiteSpect enables you to optimize your site functionality, including on-site search, checkout flow, shipping offers, pricing, new features, and whole site releases, so you can quantify the impact of your development efforts on your KPIs. SiteSpect even makes it easy to create relevant, personalized experiences. You'll be able to target content based on visitor behavior, history, origin, time of day, language, browsing device, location, and much more. SiteSpect does not require JavaScript tags to be implemented for testing. Our unique tag-free approach enables you to test how your site looks and how it works, to target anyone from any device with no additional latency, to provide visitors with a fast and consistent test experience, and to run more tests in less time. SiteSpect works with all major third-party web analytics solutions and is the only solution that can be deployed in either the cloud or on-premise behind your corporate firewall. And if you'd like some extra help, SiteSpect's world-class customer success team will provide you with all the guidance, insight, and expertise needed to maximize your investment in testing. If your current testing tool doesn't allow you to optimize the entire user experience, back-end functionality, web content, dynamic content, mobile content, and mobile apps, consider SiteSpect and see why we're the solution for the world's most successful online businesses. Would you like to learn more? Click here to request a demo.